I am back with another Avon haul. For those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep, and all of my information, including the link to buy in my online store, is below, and shipping is free on $60. So, oh my goodness, these bundles are amazing. So today in the mail, I've got so much Avon coming. Today in the mail, I got the Me Time Pampering bundle, which includes the Avon Senses Fresh Bergamot and Wild Mint. This is the shower gel. Let's smell this. I actually had one of these. It's a little strong, but if you like a really strong like aromatherapy, bergamot and mint, I think you're gonna really like this one. It's heavy on the mint. So I got this. These are actually paraben-free, sulfite-free, silicone-free, phthalate-free, and dye-free, which is really nice. I also got two other pieces in the collection. I got the body lotion in the fresh bergamot and wild mint, and I got the body mist. I actually don't have the body mist, so that's kind of cool. I wanted to try the body mist. So I got those three. And then I got the CBD 100 milligram concentrated soothing and nourishing body cream. Now, if you use this, this alone is like a $30 value. So this almost pays for the box, because the box is going to be, the bundle is going to be $50. So it's actually worth $135, I believe. I really wanted to get one of these in the lotion. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on here. There we go. This smells so good. I love the smell of the CBD cream. It is so relaxing. So this one is visibly transforms distressed skin, helps soothe, restore smoother, healthier looking skin. So, if you like these, like I said, this is the concentrated one. You get that in the Pampering bundle. You also get the Avon Chi Essentials Thermal Protecting Spray for your hair. These are pretty awesome. This is the full size aloe vera, pomegranate, and hibiscus in this. And then the final thing you get, this is actually really cool. You get the Minding My Mood 4-in-1 Essential Oil Blends. So this is essential oil. You get a 2-pack here. I know a lot of people love the essential oils, and this is actually really neat. So there's 2 bottles in here, and they're pretty large. Check it out. Look at this. One is to calm. This is lavender and star anise. Let me see what this one smells like. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, I like this one. It really does smell of lavender. That is very relaxing. It says apply directly to skin. Add a few drops to a warm bath water. So basically you can use it as a room diffuser, a bath oil, or you can just apply directly to skin. And then I have the Energize one, which is mandarin and ylang ylang. Let me see what this one is. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. These smell really good. I have not smelled these before. These are awesome. Oh, my gosh. I'm actually really excited I got these. So check that out. I believe this is a close to $30 value, too. So like I said, the bundles are a really good deal. You get a lot of neat stuff. So this is, like I said, the Me Time Pampering bundle. And I will put a link to the bundles below. I think these go through C5, so you got maybe about 3 weeks to do the bundles. So what else did I get in my haul today? I got a lot of stuff. So I got one of the Rare Pearls votive candles for Valentine's Day. These are really strong, you guys. So if you like the Rare Pearls, oh my goodness, this smells really good. I think you could actually just set this like on your dresser, and it almost like makes the room smell good without even lighting it. This is how strong it is. This is awesome. This would make a great gift for Valentine's Day too. So that's pretty cool. I got some of my hair care. Of course, you know me, I cannot live without my Avon for Polythera Elastine. This is the volumizing conditioner. It's sulfite free. I love this conditioner. My all-time favorite conditioner. It's the only thing now that will actually tame my hair. I've been using this conditioner since February. Shampoo, the entire line of the Elastine for Polythera. I've used a lot of high-end shampoos, conditioners in my life. This is the best product I have ever used. I am so sold on this product. I also got one of the Aloe Dual Active Hair Serums. I love this serum. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's kind of got two sides to it. One is an aloe vera serum, and the other one is like an oil. You mix them together. Makes your hair super shiny. This lasts a long time. They're like $25. Lasts forever, though. I love this stuff. One of my favorites. I also got the rice water foaming cleanser. I like to keep one of these in the shower. These are awesome. Look how big this bottle is, too. And I got the rice water cleansing facial wipes. I really like these facial wipes. Those are awesome. And then I got some jewelry. I don't even remember what I bought. What did I buy? I'm excited to find out, you guys. Oh, I got one of the rings. My mom wanted this, so I got this for her. This is one of the rings. Check it out. It's in the little packaging. Let me see if I can open this. I need scissors. I've got scissors. How convenient. I don't think I can actually put this on. My mother has smaller fingers than me. Look at how pretty this is. This is the, I don't know what this is called. This is called the Majestic Green Statement Ring. How pretty is that? I probably would go in my pinky. Yes, it does. Look at that. How pretty. Oh my goodness. I actually have the necklace in this, and I absolutely love it. So that is super pretty. I should review some of the spring jewelry because it's so nice this year. Oh my gosh. Every time I log into Avon for a new campaign, I always get excited about the jewelry. I like to collect the Avon jewelry. I also got my husband one of the Busivi, I think it's called, one of the watches. He loves watches. He's obsessed with watches. Look at this. How neat is this men's watch? I really like this. He's going to love this. So that was pretty exciting. So I did pick him up one of the men's watches. So that is my haul for today. I've got another haul, go figure, coming on, I believe, Friday. So I'm excited to show you all of this new Avon I've got coming. I do have, oh, you know what else I got? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to show you guys this. I need to review this. This is the FMG Love True Love at First Lash Mascara, but this is the Mulberry, Velvet Mulberry. I gotta put this on. I gotta do my eyes up and do a review on this. I am so excited. I've never had this shade of mascara before, and I'm pretty excited. I don't like bright purples, but this is like a, I don't know if it'll go on here. It's like a mulberry. I can kind of see it on my hand a little bit. I can't wait to try this on. I love this formula. So super excited to try the Mulberry Mascara. That sounds exciting. A little brown eyeshadow. I think this would be really, really pretty. So anyway, I did get that. So that was exciting. I think that's all I got today. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And all the links are down below. If you want to purchase one of these bundles, I would do it fast. I don't know if they're going to get sold out, but they're really, really good. The only bundle that I didn't get so far is the Skincare Essentials bundle. And the only reason I didn't get that one, and you actually get one of the rice water products in it, which I like, but I actually use the Esonox for my facial routine, and this has the new product. So that's the only reason I didn't get that one. But the Dual Eye formula in that is really, really good. So I would definitely check out the Skincare Essentials bundle if you like the new products. Like I said, I just love the Esonox. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.